Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. We have a particularly interesting word to explore. Today's word is atrocity. It's a C1 level noun meaning a cruel or violent act. So, what exactly is an atrocity? Well, it's not just any bad deed. It refers to something exceptionally brutal and wicked, something that shocks and outrages people due to its cruelty. We wouldn't use it to describe forgetting to buy milk, for example. Now, let's dive into synonyms. Words like brutality, barbarity, and depravity are close in meaning. For instance, we can say, the news report described the brutality of the attack, or his actions displayed shocking barbarity, or the depravity of his crimes was truly disturbing. See how these words convey a similar sense of extreme cruelty as atrocity? Now, let's look at the opposites. Antonyms for atrocity include words like kindness, benevolence, and humanity. For example, we might say, her kindness towards others was well known, or the charity is based on benevolence and compassion, or his actions demonstrated great humanity. These words highlight the positive side of human behavior that contrasts with the darkness of an atrocity. Now, let's consider how we use atrocity in everyday conversation. You might hear it in news reports when referring to war crimes or violent acts. People might use it in discussions about historical events where terrible injustices occurred. For example, you might hear someone say the Holocaust was a terrible atrocity, or the bombing was a clear atrocity against innocent civilians. You might read phrases like a horrific atrocity or the atrocity of war. Let's look at some more sentence examples. Witnessing that atrocity changed him forever. The museum displayed pictures of the atrocity. The sheer atrocity of the crime made it difficult to comprehend. The report detailed every atrocity committed during the conflict. In summary, atrocity is a powerful word used to describe an act of extreme cruelty or violence. Its synonyms include brutality, barbarity, and depravity, while its antonyms include kindness, benevolence, and humanity. It's a word we often hear in news reports and discussions about significant acts of violence. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of atrocity useful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps other language learners find our show. Lastly, as always, I encourage you to write your own sentence using atrocity and share it in the comments below the video. I can't wait to read them.